what we doing right now. I'm headed to Denmark, Tennessee. Denmark, Tennessee. I never heard of it, but it's like an hour from Memphis, which is perfect. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta travel for them pieces. You know, I don't want to do no 2 and 3 hours just to buy one piece. You know what I'm saying? So an hour, 15 minutes, hour, 10 minutes, that's perfect. I can do that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now. Headed to Denmark. Y'all remember, like I say, when the tire dropped, it dented up that chrome piece on the quarter panel. So, and with the price he's giving me $50 for this piece, that's cool. I can do that. So now I have all the trim that I need. So when they paint the car, which I believe they're only gonna paint that one side of the car. I mean, so it is what it is, but I'm eventually repaint the whole car. I just don't know when. But at the same time, when I do break it back out, I want to make sure that, you know, everything is there. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, man, I'm headed to Denmark. We're gonna look at this Chevy, and we're gonna see what else he got. Yeah, man. And also, when I looked at the picture, it looked like the car had a good bumper on it too. I could have took, you know what I'm saying? Because the one on my purple Chevy, it's like I got a piece that's, it's not coming all the way off, but it's kind of flapping, you know. And I want to have that black bumper impact strip all the way across. So we gonna look at this bumper too. I might have to come back because I don't think that bumper gonna fit in this car. So we gonna check out this bumper. We gonna get that piece, and we gonna overall check out the whole car, man. So if y'all need any parts, the car is in Denmark, Tennessee.
Take exit 66, then keep right at the fork.
Stop up here by this ATM machine. Get that little 50 spot off real quick. I might need to get more than that. I ain't no telling what else I might want to buy off the car. You know how that go.
Keep right at the fork.
Well, got what I need, YouTube. Just need to be cleaned up. You know, that's about it. You know, clean it up. And of course, I got some black wrap that I put in those grooves right there. Yeah, I don't put nothing but black wrap in there. And I'm gonna black out that bottom part real good. And that's it. Put it on the car. Keep on trucking, man. Gray. Yeah, it's primer too. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I'll get that one. Thank you. Yeah, that'll work. Appreciate it, man. Hold on. Yeah, YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime those spots. I'll go ahead and prime where the black is kind of fading off. I'm gonna put some black on it, and I'm gonna call it a day. It'll be better than what it was. All right, we back at the house right now. What I'm about to do, about to get ready to go ahead and clean it up. Look like they got overspray and stuff on it, so I'm gonna try to clean it up real good and see if I can get this to have a real nice shiny look. Then we're gonna tape it up. Then I'm gonna paint this portion black. I'm gonna try to get in there and paint that black so it can look just like how it's supposed to look, like it look on this car and on the other car. Now I got it taped off like I want it. About to scuff that a little bit more. About to scuff in there a little more. About to scuff in there a little bit more. We're gonna get to paint that black. Alright, got it primed down right now. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. Let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, then I'm gonna come back out here and spray some black on it. We'll see how it turn out. Alright, YouTube, I got the first pass. It looks pretty good, no runs or nothing like that. It's gonna look better than what it was, I'll tell you that. It's gonna look better than what it was. Yep. So I'm gonna let it sit out here for about 30 minutes, and I'm probably gonna come back and lightly sand it, and then I'm gonna go over it again, or I might just paint it again. I don't know, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna let it sit out here for about 30 minutes. Alright, YouTube. Alright, I want to compare my work. We done got it painted up. I took it off. As you can see, it looks good. Look at that. Smooth. You know what I'm saying? Got a little dirt right there, but it's alright. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. And let's look at it compared to this one. So put it up there. It looks good. Can't even tell that it was painted actually. So only thing I gotta do really is really kind of clean the chrome up a little. But really, to be honest, this chrome is, it just about the same though, just a tad. But let's just look at it. Let me sit back. So let's look at it on comparison. So there you have it. Yep, that'll do. Looks pretty good to me. That'll work. So we're gonna take this to the paint shop and let them paint it, do what they do, and put it on the car. Yeah, man, I just don't like having a lot of missing pieces on my car, man. So we got this squared away. It looks pretty good, man, compared to what it was the first time when I first got it. Well, YouTube, I went to the paint shop. I took the piece to the paint shop, but I asked them yesterday would they let me in to vlog, and they said for insurance purposes they won't let me in the shop to record the process. So he's gonna take some pictures of everything. I'm gonna have to probably keep reminding them to send me some pictures of the process. You know what I'm saying? So I can't actually make a video of it, but hopefully I have some pictures. So today is Saturday, and we're gonna y'all remember that one flowmaster I got? I'm gonna prep it. We're gonna put that one flowmaster on the white box Chevy. Alright, there's the flowmaster, man. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime this flowmaster down, and I'm gonna paint it black, because the one that I'm ordering, it's actually a black flowmaster, and the baffle is not broken, this flowmaster, so it should sound pretty good. I shook it. It's nothing loose in the inside of the flowmaster. I'm gonna show you. This is the same exact flowmaster that I ordered, that I'm going to order. put it on the side of the screen. Yeah, like I said, the baffle is not broken there. It's not any holes in the muffler. Of course I checked for holes. There's not any holes in the muffler. So it's pretty solid. I know some of y'all against probably putting used flowmasters on your vehicle, but tell me what's wrong with that flowmaster. That's practically a brand new flowmaster still. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no holes. It cleaned up well, as you can see. Cleaned up real good. It's practically still new. If you ask me, just got some surface rust on it. As long as ain't no big holes in it and all of that, this thing ought to sound good. So I'm gonna still paint it black because the other one that I ordered is gonna be black. So that's what we're gonna do. Prime it down. I need to let this garage down first. Alright, YouTube, got it all painted up. I know it ain't gonna last, man. I'm just doing something to have a little fun, man. I just threw some paint on there. As you can see, the primer bleed through it and all of that. But anyway, ain't no big deal. The main concern is that it is a good flowmaster. So, but anyway, let's get a cold start on this Chevy. Got no rust on the flow pans. I want to check them flow pans out. Man, YouTube out and went and put the muffler on, the 40 series muffler. I'm guessing because it's a Y pipe, but they actually sound the same to me. It don't sound like I got a flowmaster on the car. So what I probably got to do is go ahead and order the other flowmaster and run true duals. I gotta have true duals probably to make it sound like something, but I can tell, but barely. But I'm gonna give y'all a exhaust clip of it. YouTube. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna go ahead and order the other flowmaster. I'm gonna run 2 pipes on the car, and it'll sound better. You know, it'll probably start growling a little better than what it is, just to give it a little bit more pep to its step, probably, and a better sound also. So that's what we gonna do, man. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the purple box Chevy as well, man. And I'm just doing some things to this car and stuff like that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here.